My name is Ian Wong. I work for the CTO office of Viavi Solutions, Senior Director of RF and Wireless, and I'm also co-chair of the test group in the ORAN Alliance. Massive MIMO, it's one of the toughest things in ORAN today. I mean, there's a lot of success with basic 4T4R radios, but validating a true MU-MIMO solution, in the ORAN context has been very challenging. Right, so in this demo, we would show several of our Massive MIMO test solutions, leveraging a cabled solution where we can emulate the channel as seen by the Massive MIMO system, or even an over-the-air solution, which we actually have a big chamber being built in Valor that can test Massive MIMO performance. As you all know, with massive amounts of data from the operators' networks, there's a great opportunity to be able to emulate the real world as seen by the operators. And the RAN Digital Twin is our solution, which combines our network validation solutions that grabs a lot of the data from the network and then putting that into our emulators, emulating a real live system so that we can troubleshoot, we can plan and optimize the operators' networks ahead of time. So the third item we want to talk about is VAMOS. VAMOS stands for Viavi Automated Management and Orchestration System. It is Viavi's own automation system, particularly for ORAN testing. So we built this and actually put this into the Valor Lab, our NTIA-funded lab in Chandler, Arizona, and use it as a centralized mechanism to orchestrate the test equipment, orchestrate the devices under test, and run through all the standardized ORAN and 3GPP tests in a single click, automatically validate their pass-fail. It's been a tremendous value to a lot of operators and vendors doing all the standardized ORAN tests, and can also generate new test cases. It leverages AI to figure out which test cases to run to optimize testing. So at Viavi, we have the industry's first ODU emulator that's portable in a field instrument, that's really enabling operators to be able to test their ORUs as they're mounted in a tower, right, without the ODUs present at that time. Right? This is extremely valuable for operators because it allows them to reduce truck rolls, that they can test that their radios are mounted correctly, that their cables are actually placed right, and the performance is up to par even before sending out the crew to install the ODU to complete the network.